Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting has changed in the Microsoft Store. If you like playing games, of course the Microsoft Store does have a certain number of games that you can download and play, and it's an easy way to get games without having to go through all sorts of hoops and install all sorts of things, and also kind of know that it's safe to do so. Now, one of the things that was available for the past 8 or 9 months was a feature or a section of the games that was instant games. Those were interesting because usually when you want a game, say for example you want to play one of those games here, you have to click on it, and when you click on it, then you have to get that game. You have to tell it that you want to have the game. So you click get, and then it downloads a copy on your computer, and so on. Now the thing is, the instant games were about 75 games that they had that simply were playable directly from the page. So you didn't have to download them. If you wanted to play, you could play. And that was a big advantage of just not having to go through the hoops of downloading a game. For some reason, since November 14th today, that instant game section is now gone. It seems that Microsoft has removed it, and there's no explanation of why. Maybe it wasn't popular, or maybe there was some friction, and some companies didn't like the fact that you don't download the game officially, which, if it's on your PC, you're maybe more inclined to play it. But one thing for sure is that this feature had been announced in 2023, a long time ago. So it took a lot of time before it actually came through, and it was something that appeared at the beginning of this year. But now it's gone. So you'll have to, all the games are still there, but what you'll have to do is, unfortunately, click the game and download it and install it on the PC, where it's going to take more space and so on. So no reason behind it. There's no explanation, but it seems that instant games are gone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.